Hey friends, in this quick video, we're going to take a closer look at these BMX or mountain bike grips that you can purchase right here on Amazon. Now basically these are going to be budget grips, but out of the box they actually do feel fairly good. One of the main features that we like about these is this lock ring here on the top. It's way better than some of the slide-on grips that don't have any kind of a lock ring. Basically required to use some sort of adhesive or friction to make sure these lock into place. Again, it's a terrible thing to have for mountain biking because they slide around a lot. So what you're gonna get obviously is the two grips. You can see the lock ring is off of this one, and then you're gonna get two end caps as well as the bolts that go through the lock ring and lock everything in place. You also have a little Allen key there if you need that for this specific size bolt. Let's go ahead and get them mounted. Now, some of these old grips, there's a couple ways to get them off. First is obviously if you want to destroy them, just with a box cutter. I'm just going to slice these straight down. The other way, if you want to save them, is actually to push some WD-40 up underneath the grip here, and that'll kind of loosen it off, and you can kind of twist it and pull it off. So obviously make sure your lock ring is in place on top of the grip, just like that. Make sure you have your bolt in place right there. And basically these are just going to slide onto your bars. Out of the box, you may need to loosen that bolt just a touch, but it should slide on just like this, nice and easy. We want to go all the way to the end until you see the bar just nice and flush with the end cap. Now again, you can put this logo wherever you want. We'll go ahead and just rotate it up like that. All right, using that provided Allen key, we'll then lock things into position by tightening up this bolt here. With that on tight, you can see it's not moving. That's exactly what you want, especially in the BMX mountain bike world. You don't want these things sliding around on you. So there you go, friends. That is what everything looks like put together. Decent little grip. It feels good. We'll see how long it lasts and holds up, but giving it a thumbs up for now. Hope that has helped. If it has, give us a thumbs up. Definitely stay tuned. We're making a bunch of these bike style maintenance videos and upgrade tutorials to make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.